This is a look at the genuine Gerber 86-883 trim kit, lift and turn. This off here. So as you can see here, when this comes up, if you turn it, it'll stay up. Turn it the other way, it drops back down. It is chrome. It comes with the 2 screws, which of course go here, hold it in. It is all metal. Lift it, turn it, stays open. Turn it the other way, it drops back down. Let's get a few measurements. So this, across the top's about 3/4 inches. The overall height of it is right at 2 inches. And diameter at the bottom's about 1 3/4. The screw is about 2 1/4 inch, maybe. Got added, I think. Yeah, about 2 1/4 inches. And the faceplate, they're at about 3 inches. You can see there, about 3 inches on that. Once again, this is the genuine Gerber 86-883 chrome lift and turn trim kit.